guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Elena, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about all things money. Video culture is everywhere nowadays, and most people go to two places in order to learn something new. First, they will go to Google, and the second place is YouTube. So with that being the case, a bunch of people are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, as well as I believe that they should, because people retain 95% of a message that they receive through video versus 10% that they retain through reading it in text. And of course, also people share more video content. And although a bunch of people know about the YouTube platform, they still may decide against starting a channel, either because they feel like it's too saturated or they don't see the financial benefit in starting one. So today I wanted to share with you the 6 ways that you can make money through your YouTube channel. Now, I personally have all 6 of these streams of income, and I can tell you that even though they fluctuate from month to month, they all have made a large impact on my overall income. Number 1 is getting paid through YouTube via Google AdSense. This stream of income comes through YouTube. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can turn on your monetization and they will place ads before, during, and after your video. Now, what you get paid here varies drastically, because if your videos are about entertainment, then you will probably get paid less than if your videos are about money. The reason why YouTube does this is because entertainment videos attract more children or younger kids, more likely in their teenage years, and they aren't going to buy as much from advertisers as people who are watching videos on money or tech gadgets or entrepreneurship. So how much you get paid and the type of ads that are on your video can really change this number drastically. But I can tell you from my personal experience that I have had $200 months on YouTube, and I have had $1,400 months on YouTube, and really it can be that drastic. However, if you are consistent on YouTube and you know your niche, then you will probably see really quickly where you land with your ads and how much you can make on a consistent basis. Stream number 2 is to have a shop. So I personally have 2 shops. I have my Etsy shop and my website. I sell the same type of products on both. I sell stickers, books, and planners. And my YouTube channel helps me with this because when I am able to do my videos, I am able to showcase my products, show people how they can use them, put stickers in my planner, and be able to advertise them on a consistent basis. And also the great thing about website and Etsy sales is that I am able to receive that income daily. So YouTube is on the 21st of every month, but every single day I could get a deposit from my Etsy shop or from my website from the sales that I made the day before. And of course, sales on this platform does vary. I have made $35 in one day, and I have also made $1,000 in one day. So the more products and the more things that you have out there in your shop, the more opportunities you are creating for yourself to make more money. The 3rd stream of income is by becoming an Amazon affiliate. Anyone can become an Amazon affiliate. Basically, you just have to log on and create a brand new account and then create links for the different products that you love. The great thing about being an Amazon affiliate is that you get to promote products that you already love. The bulletin board that is right behind me, the whiteboard that has a calendar, I found that one on Amazon. I purchased it. I also found it in Michael's. I put both of the links in my description box as long as they had it, and it was an amazing product that I couldn't wait to share with other people. I don't believe that they have it anymore, but anytime that I see any products that are either in my office or around my house that I love, I share it with my YouTube family and I tell them where they can get it on Amazon. Now, you don't get a lot from promoting these products on Amazon. It's only a small commission, but the thing that I like to think about is that I love these products anyway. I was probably going to recommend them anyway, and I didn't have to do anything but recommend them. So it's not hurting me at all to promote the product. The 4th stream of income is from speaking engagements. I have been talking about money through my YouTube channel since the beginning of 2018, and I cannot tell you how many times I have had the privilege of speaking on money or being featured in some type of publication just because someone saw one of my videos on YouTube. Now, I would definitely get opportunities from time to time before I started my YouTube channel, but once I started my YouTube channel, those opportunities quadrupled. And it's always amazing to get paid to speak on a topic that you love. Stream number 5 is a subscription service, or Patreon. So once you are consistently posting on YouTube and you start to develop an audience, you will get those ride or die people, those people who just want to support you no matter what you do. And that's why Patreon was created. It's a separate monthly subscription that people will buy into just to get additional things from you. So for instance, for my Patreon, there's a $5 level, there's a $10 level, and with each level, you get different types of stickers and happy mail from me every single month. Your Patreon group is charged on the 1st of every month, and it depends on how much you charge for your subscription service and how many people have joined, how much you make, but it is a great way to have additional streams of income coming in and to connect to those people who want additional things from you. And the 6th stream of income is courses. You can develop a course on a specific topic, share a snippet of it to YouTube, and then have a link to the full-on course. And that is exactly what we are doing today. I have the pleasure of partnering with Business Rules for Women, who is hosting their virtual 2020 conference on April 3rd and April 4th. And I am specifically teaching a course on how to make money on YouTube. So in my session, I'm going to go into depth on the 6 streams that we have already talked about and give you a couple of more streams that we did not get into today. And since this is a virtual conference, you will also have access to 30 other speakers, 7 power panels, and 9 interactive workshops. And of course, since it's all online, you'll be able to replay these classes over and over. If you are interested in signing up for this virtual conference, make sure that you check my description box below. I will have a link to it there. I was so excited to share this little snippet with you, but I can't wait for this conference to come up so that I can share even more. Hopefully, I will see you there, and until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.